Here's how to place and receive phone calls on your Bluetooth-connected smartphone in your Kia. The smartphone must be connected to the vehicle via Bluetooth. If needed, refer to the Bluetooth pairing video. There are various ways to make a call: dialing from the recent call list, from the contacts list, or using the keypad. To dial from the recent call list, on the infotainment system home screen, press Phone, or on the steering wheel, press the Call button. Then select a contact from that list. To dial from the contacts list, press the Contacts icon and select a contact from the list. To use the keypad, press the Keypad icon and use the keypad to enter the number you wish to call. Then press the phone icon to place the call. To answer a call, press Accept on the screen, or press the Call button on the steering wheel. To reject a call, press Reject on the screen, or press and hold the Call button on the steering wheel. To reject a call and reply with a text message, press Message. Then choose the message and press Send. When you're on the phone and another call comes in, to switch calls, press Hold First Call. Press End First Call to accept the incoming call and end your current call, or press Reject to remain on your current call. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!